In this video, I will show you how to scan Instagram QR code. Instagram QR codes allow you to share your profile or quickly add someone else without manually searching for their username. Whether you want to share your own QR code or scan someone else's, both can be done. First of all, open the Instagram application. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Once you are on the home screen, you will see different tabs at the bottom. Tap on the Profile tab. On the Profile page, you will see Share Profile option. Tap on it. On the next screen, you will see a few options. At the center of the screen, your profile's QR code will appear. This QR code is unique to your account, and anyone with whom you have shared it can scan it to find and follow you on Instagram. Instagram allows you to personalize your QR code to make it more visually appealing. If you want to share your profile QR code with others without scanning directly through the mobile, you can use the options below the QR code. Tap on the Share Profile option, and if you want to share it as an image, then tap on the Download option. Select Save Image. The image will be saved in your device gallery, and now you can send it to anyone whom you want to add through this code. And if you want to scan someone else's QR code, tap on the scan icon, which looks like a small QR code available at the top right corner of the screen. Your phone's camera screen will open. Now point your phone's camera at the QR code you want to scan. Once it is scanned, that person's profile name will appear. Tap on View Profile to be directed to their Instagram page. You can now follow them, check their posts, or send them a message. If someone has shared their Instagram QR code as an image with you, you can scan it without their phone using that image. Go to the Scan QR code section by following the same above steps. Instead of pointing your camera, tap on the small gallery icon at the top right corner of your screen. Select the saved QR code image from your gallery. Instagram will scan the QR code and redirect you to that person's profile. And this is how you can scan Instagram QR code.